Have you ever sent a PPT file and the fonts or layout got messed up? Don't worry, you can convert it to a PDF so it looks perfect every time. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a super easy way to change your PPT file into a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. So let's get started. In the Systweak PDF Editor, go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert a PPT file into a PDF file, click on Convert From, and you will see a list of all the formats you can change into PDF. Select PPT to PDF, a window will pop up. Select your file and click Open. The tool will instantly convert your PPT file into a PDF file. Click OK, and the PDF file will also be automatically saved in the same location as the original document, and your new PDF will open up. This was the original PPT file, and here's the PDF file we just created from it. If you want to convert multiple files to PDF, here's how you do it. Click on Convert, then click Batch Process and choose Batch Create. Now simply drag and drop the files here. Once you're all set, click on Create PDF, and Systweak PDF Editor will convert all your files in one go. Click OK, and that's it. All your files are now saved as PDFs. So that's how easy it is to convert an PPT file into a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there's any issue, just write it in the comment. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.